So in this video, we are going to learn how to make this awesome flyer, happy birthday flyer design to Amarachi. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started in Canva. This is the Instagram portrait size, okay, which is 1080 by 350. So the first thing we're going to do is to bring in our design right here, and we're just going to drag it into here. I have all the resources, so you can go download them, okay. The link is in the description. So we have this image here and every other resources here for you to get started with, okay. So we're getting started with the image of the lady. We're just going to place it randomly, okay. I think I should make this one a little bit smaller, something like this, then duplicate it. I'm holding down my alt key while dragging, and it's just going to make a duplicate. So I'm just going to scale from the middle. I'm holding down my alt key while I'm dragging this edge. It's going to scale from the middle, okay. I'm just going to place this one here. I want it to be real big, like big. I'm just going to place it here. I'm going to send it to the back. Control left bracket, okay. It's going to send it to the back, and we have this one here. Before I'm supposed to like make some edits on this image, I'm just going to come to edit. Maybe before then, let's work with the background, okay. Let's just go to the background. The background, I want it to be this color, this default purple fade into pink, but I want it to be in the middle. So what I'm going to do is to come to this color here. I'm going to pick this radial, and I want the blue to be the outer part. So we got that. So in order to make our image blend with the background, we're going to do some image editing. I'm going to come to edit, then come to adjust. Then here we're going to make the tints to be about 20 or thereabouts, just to give it a little bit of the background color so that it flows in. We're going to do it on one image, then duplicate it on the other image, which is the second one. So we're going to make it about 20, 22, just to make it look a little bit bluish, okay. Then we're going to decrease the warmth to about 25, minus 25, something like that, okay, just to give it the warm color so that it blends a little bit with the background, okay. Then we are going to come to vibrance and increase it to about 25 also, something 20 about, okay, 20ish. So we're going to copy this effect that we've done on this image. We're going to paste it on this one. So we're just going to come to copy style and paste it, okay. It's going to give it the same effect, but for this one we're going to take out all this saturation. We want it to be black and white, okay. Then we're going to leave this one here just like that, okay. For the next thing, I think we're going to bring in these images, okay. Let's bring in this one first. We'll make it bigger. Just place it somewhere here, maybe a little bit bigger, something like this, okay. I'm going to make it a little bit blur. Come to blur. I want it to be a little bit out of focus, okay, something like this, about 50, okay. And we're gonna make the color blend with the background. I'm gonna choose, let's go to dual tone, okay, and come to this. Then on the black, we're gonna pick something around here and see, okay, so that it just blend with the background, okay. And we're gonna bring in this second one and drag it into our design. I'm gonna make this one a little bit bigger, okay. I'm holding down my alt key while I'm scaling, so that it scales from the middle. You can scale it however you want. So this one, I'm going to copy the same style, click on this and just paste it on it. Now we have the same effects, and same thing goes to this. Not really same thing, I don't want same thing, okay. We're gonna make this one a little bit smaller, maybe something like this. Let's position this one a little bit to the center. I think this one is not big enough. Okay, for this one we're going to use the same dual tone, but there's this default dual tone that I want us to use here, this one, okay. Gives me a little bit darker one. I'm going to make a duplicate of it and just shrink it. I want it to be flipped, okay. Flipped, yeah, flipped. I think I moved my image, Ctrl Z. Okay, we're gonna bring in the text now, which is the normal happy birthday text and all that. I'm gonna drag it in. Okay. You can either type this, because I believe you're working with your own type tool there. I want the font, the typeface to be fair display. I think that's what I used, something like that. And I'm going to make the text effect, the text color to be white. Okay, this is pretty cool, right? Yeah, pretty cool. Then for this text, we have these two texts that we're going to use. I'm going to copy them, okay, because they are different. Control C, oh, Control X, okay, so I don't copy the one I've used before. So I'm going to come here and just Control V, really big. I'm going to scale it down, then just come to text. I want us to use poppins. Poppins, it's big. Remove the bold, remove the italics, and just make it real small. I want to make it left align, okay, and the text is already flowing, okay. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller, okay, just to create contrast with this upper text here, okay. I think the spacing between this text, they aren't working out great. I'm just gonna close that gap, okay. Is it fine? I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this text and just bring it somewhere here. Then I'm gonna copy this other text, this one right here. I'm gonna control everything. Control X, okay, and just paste it so that I have the same text effect. I think this. You notice there's this line here, this weird line. You see it? I'm going to scale it so that it hides. Okay, I think it should be something like that. I don't know that line. Okay, something like that. Okay, I think we are pretty cool with this. Okay, then I'm going to bring her name. I really don't know. This is a fictional design, so really don't know this lady. So I'm going to copy this text effect, so I'm just going to place it here on Marachi. I'm the same thing. Then we have this other text. I'm going to place it in here. Okay, I wanted to have the same effect with this, I mean text style, but we're going to increase it a little bit, something like this. Okay, I want this to be like raised, like 26th. Okay, there's a way you can do it. Come to here, this point here, and let's come to multiple setting. And I'm gonna raise it, okay? Just this text formatting style, okay? I'm just gonna bring it down a little bit, okay? Our design is almost coming to life, okay? I feel like there's this empty space here. Or what you can do, since it's 26, let's just type 26. Let's create some contrast in here. I'm just gonna make this one real big. Oh my goodness. Let's close them. Kind of to, I can't see what I'm doing, but I think this is cool. It's 26, right? I'm gonna send it to the back. Control left bracket. Left bracket. Okay, I'm gonna take down the opacity. Awesomeness. Okay. All right, so what's left is the cream of the soup. This is where the magic actually takes place. They are called light leaks. You can go to text effect, no, elements here, and just type light leak. I have already typed it here, but so I'm just going to click on it. You can see a lot of it here. My network is having an issue right now, so I can find it. Okay, we have all them here. We have different type. Okay, these are the ones I already used in this design, so I'm just going to use them. So what I can do is to drag them into my design. Okay, I'm just going to place them randomly. It's no big deal about them. Okay, just place them strategically in your design. Something like this. drag into your design. Something like that. Then I'm gonna bring this last one. Just place this one right here so it just blends in the background. Okay, I think I can send this one to the back because I need to work on this text. I feel like it's too, or maybe I can just leave it and just shift the image directly, maybe a little bit to the side. So that brings us to the end of the video. That's how you can make your design. So you can easily just download, go to share, go to download whatever format that you like. So that brings us to the end. If you find this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And until next time, bye.